Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where the Opera GX software is not responding on your computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So search for Opera GX in the Windows search bar and simply uninstall it. Now I'll tell you why. Because this application does not have an option where you can modify the settings or you can repair or reset it. So simply uninstall it, and I'll tell you what to do after this. And this is not the kind of application that needs administrator permissions to run, so running it as an administrator won't help. Then search for store in the Windows search bar and open the Microsoft Store. Do not download it from any other uh, what do we say source. Simply search for Opera GX here and download and install Opera GX. That is it. That is the solution. It will download and install in a minute or so, and by then you can continue with your work. And then when you open Opera GX, it should be working. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.